Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of solar panels and how they create electricity. Solar energy is becoming increasingly popular as a clean and renewable power source. But have you ever wondered what actually happens on the surface of those shiny panels on rooftops? Let's start by understanding the basics of solar panels and why they're such a game changer in the world of energy. Solar energy is the light and heat that comes from the sun. Every day, the sun sends an enormous amount of energy to Earth, far more than we could ever use. Solar panels are designed to capture a portion of this energy and turn it into usable electricity for our homes and businesses. This process is both sustainable and environmentally friendly, making it a key player in the shift toward green energy. Solar panel is made up of many smaller units called solar cells. These cells are typically made from silicon, a material known for its ability to conduct electricity. The cells are arranged in a grid-like pattern and protected by a layer of glass. This structure allows the panel to capture sunlight efficiently and withstand various weather conditions. At the heart of every solar panel are photovoltaic cells, often called PV cells. These are the components responsible for converting sunlight into electricity. The word photovoltaic comes from photo, meaning light, and voltaic, meaning electricity, so photovoltaic simply means turning light into electricity. When sunlight hits a solar panel, it strikes the photovoltaic cells. The energy from the sunlight excites the electrons in the silicon material, causing them to move. This movement of electrons is the first step in generating electricity. The more sunlight that hits the panel, the more electricity can be produced. Silicon is a key material in solar cells because of its unique properties. It's a semiconductor, which means it can conduct electricity under certain conditions. When sunlight provides enough energy, silicon's electrons break free and start to flow, creating an electric current. This is the foundation of how solar panels work. Make the electrons flow in a specific direction. Solar cells are designed with two layers of silicon, one with extra electrons negative and one with fewer electrons positive. This setup creates an electric field at the junction between the layers. When sunlight hits, the electric field pushes the freed electrons out of the cell, generating a flow of electricity. As electrons are knocked loose by sunlight, the electric field in the solar cell directs them into metal contacts on the top and bottom of the cell. This movement creates an electric current, which can then be harnessed and used as electricity. The process is continuous as long as sunlight is available. The metal contacts on each solar cell are connected by thin wires. These wires collect the electricity produced by each cell and combine it, allowing the entire solar panel to generate a usable amount of power. The wiring is carefully designed to minimize energy loss and maximize efficiency. Electricity generated by solar panels is called direct current, or DC. In DC, the electric charge flows in one direction. However, most homes and appliances use alternating current, or AC. This means the electricity from solar panels needs to be converted before it can be used in your home. To make solar electricity usable, an important device called an inverter is used. The inverter takes the direct current DC produced by the solar panels and converts it into alternating current AC, which is what most household devices need. This step is crucial for integrating solar power into everyday life. Many solar panel systems are connected to the electrical grid. This means any extra electricity your panels produce can be sent back to the grid, and you can draw power from the grid when needed. This setup helps balance energy use and ensures you always have electricity, even when the sun isn't shining. Net metering is a system that tracks how much electricity your solar panels send to the grid versus how much you use from it. If you produce more than you use, you can earn credits or even get paid for the extra energy. This makes solar panels not just environmentally friendly but also financially rewarding. Some solar panel systems include batteries to store excess electricity. This stored energy can be used at night or during cloudy days when the panels aren't producing as much power. Battery storage increases your energy independence and ensures a steady supply of electricity. The amount of electricity a solar panel can produce depends on several factors. These include the angle and orientation of the panels, the amount of sunlight received, and the quality of the solar cells. Regular maintenance and cleaning can also help maximize efficiency and output. Solar panels generate electricity without producing harmful emissions or pollution. By using solar energy, we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and help combat climate change. This makes solar power a key part of a cleaner, greener future for everyone. Solar panels are used in a variety of settings, from powering homes and businesses to running streetlights and even charging electric vehicles. Their versatility and scalability make them suitable for both small and large-scale energy needs. Most solar panels are designed to last 25 years or more. Over time, their efficiency may decrease slightly, but they continue to produce electricity for decades. This long lifespan makes solar panels a smart investment for the future. Solar technology is constantly evolving. New materials and designs are making panels more efficient, affordable, and easier to install. Innovations like flexible panels and solar roof tiles are expanding the possibilities for harnessing solar energy in creative ways. While solar panels offer many benefits, there are also challenges. Initial installation costs can be high, and solar power depends on weather and daylight. However, ongoing advances in technology and supportive policies are helping to overcome these barriers. Solar panels are a remarkable technology that transforms sunlight into electricity, powering our lives in a clean and sustainable way. As technology advances and costs decrease, solar energy will play an even bigger role in our energy future. Embracing solar power is a step toward a brighter, greener world for generations to come.